Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to be doing a reverse dip with two canvases tonight, and I'm going to do it a little differently. Usually you would do color on color, but I'm going to do white on berry wine is the color I'm using. So these two are berry wine, these two are white. I'm just going to give them a quick little torch. Now if you're new to my channel, please hit subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And everybody that keeps coming back, you're amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you for all the comments and the thumbs up. No words can describe. Thank you so very much. Okay, the mixing medium I'm using with my paints is Sargent's Arts Acrylic Pearlescent Pouring Medium. Mixing medium, I should say. It's awesome. I love this stuff. It does say in the instructions 10 parts pouring medium, or 10 parts mixing medium. Sorry, wrong verbiage. 10 parts mixing medium to 1 part acrylic. To me, that's extreme. I do have a couple of my colors mixed that way, but 90% of my colors are completely 50% this mixing medium, 50% acrylic paint, and a little bit of water for my consistency, depending on what kind of painting I'm doing. So that's in the description. If you want to hit the detailed descriptions, hit the link. You can buy it off Amazon. If you do choose to hit my link and buy something, I will get a tiny commission from Amazon on a gift card to replenish some of my stock. Okay, let's do this. I am going to first start out with a couple of puddles, which I have my Rose Madder from Arteza. Love the Arteza paints. This one is mixed up from a previous painting I did. 10 parts the pouring medium to 1 part paint. So I will try and use this color up. I think I'm going to do 2 puddles of this. Okay. Then I'm going to put a little bit of my fluorescent pink in. Now I've never done this with 2 different colors for my base. We'll see how it works. And then I think I want a little bit of silver or gold. We'll do gold. I have a little bit of gold left here from my previous painting, so we'll use that up. Gold always looks nice with the berry wine, so can't go wrong there. Now let's add a little bit of greens. Do one on this side. This could turn out to be a real funky painting, or it could turn out to be something I never want to get rid of because I'm in love with it so much. That's the fun of art. You never know what you're going to get, especially with this fluid art. Okay, now I think I'm going to put a little bit of silver in there too. Now these are 5 by 5 canvases, so they're really small. They come in a 2-pack. I get them from Michaels. Now I'm just going to tilt this guy this way. Tilt this guy as well. I'm feeling like I want more color on there. You know what? I'm going to do the reverse. See how I like it? I can always add to it. Okay, let's see what happens when we add a white base onto the berry wine canvas. Let that sit for a sec. I'm just going to press in the middle, line this one up a little bit and press in the middle. Okay, let's just pull it up and see what happens. this guy up. And this guy. Very cool. Okay, I think I need to do a secondary dip. Yep, I'm going to do a secondary dip. Put a little more pressure on the canvas. Now pull up. There we go. I'm just turning it to see which way I like it the best. Sky, I'm also going to do the same thing. I look like I'm making a big mess here. Again, another reason why art is so much fun. Okay, I can work with those. Okay, let me just take my gloves off here. Give them a little torch, get the air out. And again, I didn't have my glasses on, silly me. Okay, get the bubbles out. Okay. Grab some more gloves. These two just look gorgeous. These ones need a little assistance, but that's okay. We can fix them up. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of green in a couple different areas here. And I think I want this lighter green as well. Okay. Now, I'm just going to take my painter's knife and just draw through here a little bit. Okay. Then let's take some of the bright pink. No, I'm going to go with some berry wine first. Do it on both, why not? Let's take a little bit of the bright pink. And my airbrush, best thing I ever bought on Amazon, about $60. Definitely will be available in the link if you decide you want to treat yourself to something like this. Love my airbrush. Now these are really small canvases, so I'm going to just do a quick little flower. A little bit of yellow added there. Now, it might be winter right now, but these are going to look like spring flowers. The This one I think needs a little bit of silver, I think, too. This one's pretty good. I like how I'll do a little bit of silver here. Okay. This one's getting a little bit of that Rose Madder by Arteza added in because I didn't like the way that flower was going. Maybe a little bit of this one too. Just a touch. There we go. Oops, dropped that. I always do a blooper, dropped it right in my painting. That's okay though. Okay, let's bring some of this green up here. A little bit of this green up in here. And a little bit to this one too. Need to fix that flower. There we go. Now it looks like there's two separate blooms happening. Very pretty. And this one's got a couple of blooms happening on its own as well. There's a little pink one hiding there, which is awesome. There we go. I'm happy with those two. Just have to paint the sides a little bit. For a small 5x5 canvas, it's pretty good. This one I want to torch a little bit. Now this one has got, looks like a bit of a bloom happening. I just got to pour the paint a little bit. Tilt the canvas, I should say. We've already poured the paint. Okay, so I'm going to go this way with it. And this one. I'm going to turn this one this way. Tilt this a little bit this way. I'm definitely going this way. Okay. Let's see what we want to do here. I'm going to do a little bit of pink. I got some brown here too, which has got the 10-to-1 mix in it, so I'm going to do that one. Got the gold. Finally we'll finish it up. I think we need some of the Madder Rose Madder, I should say, by Arteza. Let's see how that is. This one needs a little bit more. I'm going to go with this. Let's see. Okay. Now I'm going to do a little bit of my green on both paintings. The dark green. One thing you love about abstract, nothing has to be perfect. I'm going to steal some of my green from this painting. It's just a little hint of leaves. There we go. This one I'm still not crazy about. I think I'm going to put some of my berry wine in there. Let's see if that's enough. There we go, much better. I like it to have just a hint of a flower in there because of the way the background's going. So there we go. I hope it's close enough to, I'll hold one up. Let me put one glove on and I'll hold one up of each style. There we go. So there's one. Beautiful. And I'll hold this one up. Another one that is just beautiful. There we go. 4 paintings. Reverse dip on the canvas. Add a little bit of color and a little bit of your airbrush or straw action and you have yourself some beautiful creations. Alright everybody, thanks very much for watching. Please remember, hit subscribe, come back and watch another video. Thanks again.